say bedroom on Adom TV, multi TV show. And you know, Dinkita, who medical you was to say Easter Quantum, your chas, yeah. So all activities, Christian or wherever you find yourself, it's a special day, especially for the Christian society. And now Quantum, your chas. And in sorry, I would do in ano, Obian in the Jumedia, Obedi strong cry. So for them, be to say Bishop, Dark Ward Mills, when in Bivia, the Independence Square, Obedi Jumedia, Casiepa, or Lighthouse Chapel. Apostolic Empowerment for Victory Bible for and so for how do you know only na be di omujuma sonko kra de aboa owu sori no na yesua de kese na nye nsunsu so ye nuanum bi mfe de omani be kire kwaman ebi de omba kire ahafo ebi de omani be kire kwawu ebi de omani kire akosomu abri enti yakwan so nkomo no esese ehunhia kese pa America 10 bi ani wa ehunhia afi okonom sa no akoka hyen isro hwayi na fe ehyan ahodo nso asese kwan so no me hu se National Safety Authority for so edi djuma franku se on be yi sa hyan da free akwan ahodo ni na so ba wo ye hyankani a wadaroma woni na ho na ma America no ano mra se kakra hwe o tai na okoba no na hwehwe o break ni onoma ba ko mienu bi ansakra na watimi atiesi kwan so otisi kwan so a nso watima ya hwe yi apozi for no so no mo wo kwan no so dodo na mo ai mo misremo apozi for no mo kwan so dodo na afi mo ntimi emwai ye free so Easter brewe no so no ye nya careful because monitors nso ye admo ebinim so abetete kona mo ho mo hwese fie we de enipa nyina be free mu Easter brewe imbe dampan nti ye be movement wonom num se bibia no na obi so fa ho plan so so free fie na so de hyehyɛ so egu akwan ma bibia ti me kokama e de amama I wish everybody well wa o tu kwan wa o ko wedding wa o ko sorry program bia no I wish everybody well. The Amwatin family, Brian Amwatin, Samson Amwatin, Daniel Amwatin, Mark Amwatin, Sabushne ko mo so ya chamu na ene anopei na fe Apostle Salasi adai mo so mu na mo boa se de be Kristo ani monyam ebeda edi kama. Mamemfa we se ntwam biam kumawu manhene na wadaroma be ma safotwene bu akodua medical yi wasotire no adanam hyase ene ma toa so mesa kai obiem se ono hema ene wadehye muni nkomo ni yi na mabru ni bi pese o moye yoni kakra a on susu se by election bi ba hode a no road no vote no hospital no vote san nkomo na hyase a ebo ahwe na nipa boni fo bi de omo akogigin tina na wadaroma one wadehye ni nkomo ntempa na afi bibia ntimko kama na menkai era road minister era Mwakwata se of Mwakwata inimso gusu ya kwan ni de no doubt about that inimso gusu ya kwan ni pa but edi baby na onso wotwa oni akohwe kumawu adehye efise won dodo na so no susu se yetwa wona bo se de okọ osebu nso obi kroma manso eno so maka just yetwa mabo oba hafode a wadaroma minyu boni ayeda ugusu a wosiesi akwan no kakra ede ma adehye so awon wo eye ahafo ye to aso na meka say enano Mpensenpensemu a presidential candidate hopeful na osaye executive secretary ema importers and exporters or ye kuani say philanthropist ana osa manage enema bebre e wona se. In fact, se bibia to tona akwa mu dia PNC amanyoko no wono flag bearer bibia to tona akwa ma for the 2024 elections and manya privilege ene menene ebedi nkomo wa hanum sei yenyina yema na kwaba na yema na fishia panso Ira Samson Asaki Awingo bet.
Say only me free crew back because nkrafo say omo mpe na ya do asante ma ya Omo boy ti kwase. Mumfa bunu kwan no. Edu kitechima na kitapo na oba branch.
Yes, your branch.
Na mesumitu asoko me krom.
Yeah.
Until we am nia pa because we call that area no.
Yeah.
The krom for bebre gu ho.
Okay.
So even said we 10 gram no grab.
I'm suspect say. Wait, I just ba wa Adom police station. To say. There's something new was said there.
Bibi wo. Nti ma hu say na wo bobo wa sorry din ene wo jama sorry. Assemblies of God Ghana. Assemblies
of God.
Nti
you need can man pay e kwa sorry.
Nti ma hu say me hu say ya Dr. Winga Maye award. We wish you all the best.
Okay.
Congratulations to the whole Assembly of God Presbytery. Now I say Pastor Nelson. Nelson Awintia.
Yeah.
Or Bojuma pa oko community 22 ko hu asori a osisi ho no.
Okay.
Ohana me yire ne mukula omko.
Okay.
This Easter Sunday there.
Yeah.
I will join my family to fellowship with them there.
Okay, great.
And me chair as Grace Assemblies of God.
Okay.
Also for paying Reverend Moses Yele. And then Timina, our Shama, Grace of God.
So, General Secretary Ma Ekun a TAGG tag. General Secretary Emma Sekun Trader Advocacy Group Ghana. Also, what I say. Say one, I just want to some friends. Would you make the Woody? Would Johnny Great Dean or Jibre? Ebe Tawachi, New Dean commercial cry, baby, so or boa in kind or the bar or the crunches or the bar. The Numa Dawson, the Bilibia than Onimni Payo. In Tanya was a general secretary for tag, Nana Puku. And so at us, Nana matching.
Major also.
Good. And Chebia, she was a Guta. Oh, okay, Dr. Krauso. Dr. Minesho said, no, she won't tell you, Papa. I see my main guy, and Doctor, I don't know. They may say, tell any open pump doctor and tell you, tell any, as I say, who create a website, my United to be called. Na 80 minutes would come out. Doctor the CP sells Wajebre. Na also ni ebedin come Dr. Joseph Obey, President Guta, which Yaman Penya when I see Oba Joy, Oba Adom, Oko Ekusi say when I see Odidra when I see or your guy. Doctor, your child be you say be able.
That's me, right?
Good. Where the machines or it was a technology in seven o'clock BBO. Now if you have back to me and almost studio. But machines here na no dani who say abaya pimsubia de etomi and sebia ko ram rashi bedwam. Enu mo ani who say one unuanom no abusua for modi ko jan abomuti say da bi da. Sa aban tu sa na mo we dia na ekwan bi so no wan fa ni dia man onimu sunsanso nso a ebeba Ghana adwadifo so ene Ghana adehye so besira wadaroma ma enchiremu ye mo how potin pa ne dia de
yo me da wasene sa kwanyan na dia di kan no mfidijuma adwadi ene ekuayo a eno na yefapem ewo businesses ewo man Ghana min akwa ahotire pa free covid time ekopem last year 2022 exchange rate no yenya depreciation no amanfo bebre asem capital the free sa 2021 so ye de to ahoro bebre so aba bebo pay adwadie ni mfidijuma ne ekuayo ya make ya businesses enti obi anim me gidi ye say abaya ankasa nso kra nim say etuotua no adoso ye so obeka ya flat rate 3% of VAT and yetia ye move with the call 20 standard rate of 22% and on kwa different and ye asem ketwa and 22% no kra wo hwe sub region ha na say you see no na ye the highest and COVID edin to so boni pa say ebre ye no one mu say COVID ni bia ni one ma COVID aha o business people but Ghana nkwa na ye de levy esa bopi so say yare ababedi enyasa no ye sa de ho to esa to ye so So we share benchmark reduction then ke one kema a duty payment and also no emuhin ha kakra ono so ye year free so we share special import levy bia about that no kra na dey buy say eniema mu adu a wo say after the sunset sa etu ono so eda ho ho bola tax ene etu de bekata meka beka bebre so wo port so a your cost items at the port and also no bear 20 to say other jurisdictions, other neighboring countries, you know, will be out there and to say anything that's established say yet to an Utiano Esonodo. Now Niji Samuso as I would say we are not performing badly in terms of a tax payment. Ninja Muni say 2022 krana na yewo ahotre kese pa mu no yetimi SCD revenue target and preceding years na edi anim kan na no yetimi SCD eti se yetimi aboya homoden na yatetia mawrem yetimi nya ye SCD target na obi be create impression say ebia yamoye homoden yentuato yenye say na yeka ewo public say enunti da bia na yesa de to afofo asa PS a no no so ya nyefe nipa dodo a etua Ghana Revenue Authority for na hankasa say nipa 13 million ene wo krom ya omo capacity senka ombetimi atuato enso womo ya captured into the tax net no womu no 5 million crime. Anything na say nipa kakra na etimi tuato no na da bia ye dwetwe ska na ye boto APS so etimra about this agise we ba ye no obia anyantu ye na no ye tre petitions equal parliament so we share press releases we ye central for we kan bibra ye press releases ye na ye tre say from AGI Chamber of Commerce exporters Federation of Labor Chamber of Commerce obia nti dia na nwanwa ya ne say parliament entie ye petitions ene ya reposem ne akosem say ye nyuma na wo de asobrachie eko passes alone na say the Parliament of Ghana listening to themselves obutie wo mo aho wo mo antie the generality of Ghanaians ye ka ana say the Ghana fo ankasa consuming public say ahokyere wo ho na was abo can one say you see a inflation of 54% or to say 52
54 yeah
some inflation na you no as a result of accumulation of cost of doing business cost of doing business including the taxes na yitua no and ama sa inflation we
okay so dog this is where the challenge is nioma mienu na probably me who am say the dikan bribia da no yaje atum se eto na yede chichiri kuro ansa na yede ani ahwa abonten I say ebenya grant and ebenya loan that one we cannot debate on that eto boa me yetime chichiri kuro yeah the tosu biem no o de to obeba ye nyina agitum se yede chichiri kuro such relevant bodies to say tag ni guta ne era awengo betmu eku ahodo nyina na are you by extension saying say ayana ingitahudie bia ni ho it's always springing up as a surprise and now say abaye nhumu sunsuanso bia sebe mo fa so lack of a better word entino otu anamon bia na ye de sakeke wopo ombeja ompe bi omunye which what is happening because almost all the taxes are especially the bako ba ni be subsidy free honoma ama motimetria the full score of the interquasi krameka say almost when so eto miensa emu bia ni ho a enka mudwumadi amudi ni so because emu miensa nyina ka dwedifo but your specifics are direct to dwedini no where they engagement and maintain ho so anya dwuma maintain ho anya dwuma or there was none
me pato ntina ya me pe interview eti ya tre ye petitions na no ade edi kan pa so wutie press conference na ye forum no ye business forum no ye na ye di kan pa ne say government ani anye consultation to say the debia ye the norm had been said debia ye get to afufuro bia beba no government and our policy makers no any eshia edoso mu e de to nsani ani ehwe howdy a edibeba and so we there obia ni yensi nkonwa obetumi afro obia say obi si obi ni obi yensi nkonwa muntu no hu obia ni yensi nkonwa eno ani ye parliament as to train ye train speaker to train say democracy na ye practice no enya democracy of imposition democracy say bibi ba ye build the consensus na ye na ye di ye enti ana me that so make us parliament are disappointing and nso na ye ka say we do not approve of this bill.
Okay, so approval or otherwise remember so but excise duty and no affect him directly say o ko fa nyoma fi amano ne aba o do no one be do aka ne eje 1 cedi a ene ebia de beko 3 cedis sa 3 cedis ni so no ebeba me kwabna santemi ne mabusuafo ne madofo ho ene betua sa aka na guso. Is that the case?
I know ka ho ba de amafo ani maso de akuya kase pa do se growth and sustainability living no.
Yes.
No said the eto ani hye hye no ebe me etua multiplicity of taxes.
But how?
Ebe me etua multiplicity of taxes just say anything your friend obnoxious tax. Obnoxious in the sense on say communication industry we move to 5% on their gross. Insurance industry bet 5% on their gross. Banking industry bet 5% on their gross. Shipping lines bet 5% on their gross. Now woman na no ebe treaty this cost no and as this tax no as an expense normal passing on to us, especially the shipping lines. Shipping lines no say ya the two bi emma womo emma yen na say 2% crowd we put me on 5%. Ya kaka so ya no akasa nsem ya.
But who is regulating that space? Because doc Muki can say the another say you know bibia da oka no bia ya no afa from no the ko. Who is regulating that space? Because every bia me di sanko we ya na ahobrasem ehye mebufuo. I just say omani da hok sa akeke. Ana kwabna sante pa ono ya mani 2 no I 3 obi aso on phone and ye kosa. But that space who is supposed to regulate it?
Shippers authority woma ho de no aka che kakra eninti na ye no mu na 18 team na womo de womo mra akọ na womo ye strengthen that womo timi akanta sa niema na womo ye no eninti brakwabra sa cost na beba ye so nti insurance companies need to have 5% they are passing on to us. Bankers womo passing on to us. Communication pass on to us, shipping lines, and when your friend of multiplicity of tax payment. Now, and also, you know, you were Yan Cassan's yet a phone. Yet a fair woman, so airline, and the others, you know, a young medium term and the small, medium scale and small scale companies, you know, yet a fair woman, see a 2.5% on our gross.
Wow.
Yansu etie bia no ha no nkrofo ense da hweho eti yemi akasa no aye kasa no obi kase mo kura sa to we emfa mo a sene hu won kwahwa mu ye eti ubon se yansu ne yachefa ewo no 2.5%.
Okay, so Dr. Joseph obin nyabotre wa hama me na mesa about so quickly na men communion na
ka me wie tax stamp de no
obaba stamp no so nyabotre kakra na poku na over to doctor the end say no crescent kita odi na form kakra
odo my mema adwadefuo nyina ache na me baketwa Joel afre opoku ene wanya 5 years.
Oh wow.
Intino me fa akwan so na ma we show Joel happy birthday son. Your father is always at your. So, my asama ekosu ni nyina etiawa. Abai ehieska. Ena wakosi ekuo bi se me amagana mi hieska. Ne ekachense fa on hihye fa yede fabra. Ne ehwe hihye ya obedi su a obetimi a generate ska ewo man. Inti hihye no ebi ni sa brofu make us a well crafted. Yes. They've done a technical job. So one for ni
and 2 years.
And 2 years.
I'm the 6 ebe than 9.
The obi abeka say enfamo agwadifo enfamo. But enkomra nyina
eba bisi muso.
Eba bisi eso. Na eho na yeye ka kira ban ni say yentumi ni no enyichin. Se besi eso a yesu ye de be mo manfo.
Dabi ye na mpesi yewu.
Eya aban no. Iti no o ma wo tene onsa na de atre jubilee a.
Wo na me de hwe woni mi.
Dabi o de hwe anya
ye. Iti say ni say esese o man ni nya sika. Ye nya sika true sa eto oje ni. Me de to oje ni ba wo so ni say
shipping lines. Ye de ma shipping lines. Ye de ma duties. Na eba me wa. Me so me transfer mo.
Sa.
Say sa na ebe yo. Enye say ebe yesa. Yes.
Na aban ammo mokoko any mo nikita obi ase mo ntomo bo asempeje mu na mpese mo.
Say amagana e was onya to onya nofo yetwi ni makeup ni ya hihye amagana kama ni ade ne koma IMF ni kunu a wanya no ansa na IMF atunubotom
abona koma
na IMF anso so say ama yesa niama we nyina ama ahonye fe
ansa no abemi
na ama ye ama so nwene se na busuafo enwo be kire won
make parties be ginsika
mo so no dia wo pam kaba e be gene die ana ama wura fi no ho ana ama asesa no ho se ne me hye kama na IMF boyfriend esiamia watimi ayedai atunu botom ayisika man ekoba sa ama mano
ombebre
ene bebre so no it is so simple hwe na me ka say Ministry of Finance technical people who can craft things like this I didn't think I extend it intelligence to capture those who are not paying.
Tax net na capture ketua bi.
On say ketua bi na capture no. And omo ayesa ade we sa e de abo.
Ti bie ma.
E ya broad. Who grab it to you?
E wo se nipa do minim, e wo se nipa do na atua.
Yes.
But aso nipa kakra bi ko.
Aso nipa kakra bi ko. So, it in Argentina some who animdifuo say ya.
To be
crafty. Sanyama we here. Use the same brains. If I expand it,
base no.
Not the beer, just kumabi, and a atria says, I don't know, yen Traders Advocacy Group Ghana. Yes, here, dear, near buy and near chinny. Sammy, ya brebre, and that's one baby interest rate. 46%. It is a uyo dwadi ni na utemi anope na uye brebre. Etimi ko fa niema no ebetua sa agiramu abuo we nyina na de bewura mu a. I was set o de toso. Emma amagana man.
Na mo to mo boase.
Debi yatu boase enye yie. Ese aba no is there na obisu oyo dwanfunu we de wa ye osunufunu. Upusu na mpusu. Osunufunu. Upusu na mpusu. Na sanka upusu nu na pusu nu otia. Kasa nyema we nyina ma o.
Maybe most more appear before a bind na mo fa options bia more for prescriptions bia they bia more lamented charge sa abayokwe etuo but musumu ntimi fa hwe into
rent yeah what policies are be brave ya tini ensem so omumra no mumagibi rent alone in this country rent alone sika be masa aban enya sanketwa do you know say Adom was store baako store and the cashier knew baby ati metimi atua 400,000 Ghana cedis for 5 years
4 billion
yes for 5 years say sika no abai nika prewum and nothing I make us say the technical eye from the Ministry of Finance if you can craft this then I don't use the same brains. And $4
billion.
I'm telling you, for 5 years.
Abayini ifashobia.
What ni kapre wom? If you're a budget D, but some so abese tuaneka. I get the 4 bread. Mina kwamra. Sisi a wura dwom a. Enkofo ko bie omosoto. Etna no because otene fia
enye
and what is store on so and chianko no oje ni sika odidi dwa no ahye se otimi nko babosia no akofa niema ba asaki beka ho asem jubilee jubilee terminal what we about for pose oh yeah
container I ma ho na container I ma ho
asaki beka ho asem achiro
nya ba bia ye container si
asaki expert in that memma na ka ehwo no ma asem achiro eniema ne ma because odwadini ba no a yemmu no yemfa ne nya hwe no ye ne ekura man wo yo hwe amamo bia e de commerce ebedi agro ewo man no mu no sa amamu na topin
we dwadi ebedi agro
I'm telling you so the dwadi edi agro because sa sector no so and this a sector government regulate you and na kra no ye ni dwom but can be marked as dwom furniture la pass
baby ayidwom
furniture dance one
baby ayidwom
furniture makola furniture tema hwe nipa dom
baby ayidwom
edidwa nti so wo ya ban na wantimi ama adwadie ho nhyehyeye anye papa ama o man mano a say ya na be ya obeye osunufunu
I see
I
see so asaki me no to nkoko affect yen
o man me share with you for ina and ahwefo minia my senior comrade Dr. Gisefo Ben and my senior comrade Nanapoku and probably ya sorry her time ya sorry
but that is not the promise you give me Asaki
yes because of Ghana Dante o man sanity say o catcher say tema pod empty empty till my mom started we be show now before my mom started my bisa was say wo show crane
yeah
first quarter what the biaba how many containers
mateso
dabi yeah we on TV yeah me crew ya baka say onyim eda oba wo no yeah no shit felbia ni ho him say
let me talk
oh man onkasa you admit say January February March ebedu and 6th April ya wa no say yeah ofa 10 containers in a month maybe I drop it to 5 containers and ask you quarter and I say quarter say yeah ofa 10 container a month and 6 container a month January February March maybe would the only 6 in buy where's the other 6 the other 6 times 2 12 where's the other 12 containers that is why there's a total reflection of decline in cargo throughput in Temaport what you say meti hano maybe obi won say asaka oh no kasa I'm a marketer. I'm currently running master's program at Regional Maritime University. we don't get speak. We speak with facts. Sure, 2021, Tema port containers by 1.51 million tons. 2022 containers by a drop from 1.51 million to 1.2 million. Container throughput over 2022 na ebaye 1.5 million metric tons. Metric tons whether container or whether omo ro cargo, omo liner cargo, to say maybe steel, iron, maybe anything clean car. Okay, can you na bomma? Na 1.5 million metric tons of cargo about temple. Last year, the ban 1.2 million. A drop here. Papa. Enti na enura meka kire unia obi say me hu video bi na Commissioner General of Ghana Revenue Authority Reverend Emisedai obetra ha no odwom ne no say ona o say ma meka say odwom ne say odwom ne no say January February figures now on ohu e no it shows clearly say by end of December no GRA will meet its target and I say ehefa fi be na year assessment revenue assessment and a quick organization globally we assess only 2 months in a year. We assess quarterly, half a yearly, and I'm But what those figures that he saw was a backlog of December collections, and we accounted for January, February. But pass say, but from month by month, say, but from the 2021 January, February collection, number for January 2022, number for January, February 2023 collection. Because look, let me tell you, many people now, you deal with business people. Many people have folded up businesses and out.
Businesses are folding up.
Businesses have folded up. Many have relocated to Africa. Unim say a bit good. Unim say a bit so I relocated to Mukago to Togo, Lumi Port. But when they clear, they are not indicating in the books of Lumi say they are bringing to Ghana. They have warehouses there. And small cars, Baba. That one will not account. So if you go to Tema Port, you will see that the port is there. The port has built, we have the best equipment in handling cargo at Tema Port, yet cargo throughput, no, a drop it. Only reasons, and I say, total reversal of Benjamin values, no. Obia no omi Toyota Vitz, so only Toyota Vitz, most of no ye, omi Uber no. At that time, when the Benjamin was there, I think we were paying like 15,000, 14,000, 7,000. You see, if you don't pay at all 50,000, Nam, yeah. First, before Benjamin reversal, you pay like maybe 70,000, 80,000. And then, we have feeding the catcher here for. Send out here. Who did you have paid some? What if you have feeding? Look at Kawasam. No less than 270. Over here, other fees in charge, you know, 300,000. But on the same.
If I increase your kilos,
in fact, 2023 budget no before finance minister present no now Asante Regional Business Association almost closed down for 4 days. Okay, it took Ohema or 2 for Ohema to go and plead that old lady to go and plead that they should open because Mikron for I'm free Bonu Ahafu Tamale Sunyani Boku Mubaba Fanema Econo Umbabu do see closing down shops. So they were stranded. That's why the old lady came to plead. Guta Accra so 6 more. Then I'm being free for meeting. And he assured that something will be done in the 2023 budget. Little did we know, say, by the time they read out the budget, now you have 2.5 VAT. VAT, say, at that time, okay, 12.5 VAT. Get fund 2.5, health insurance 2.5, COVID-19 level. Okay, 90 point something, isn't it? Yeah. Now you say it was too much. Now you see, GRA has sent their staff to come and be counting invoices. Which, if it would tobacco and their market, market. That was the reason why they closed down those things. Now. We thought, say, listen to the traders association, and Omampi Kasa about 3 days into a cabinet retreat in Pediatrics. You are going to
see that change.
Do something. No, and say they rather increase 2.5. To what port here? Many freight forwarders. Omuti was saying. Me can't pass the say you come marketer. Obia say John Mahama phone. Uko market a coal. Uko Tamaport a coal. That's how bad it is. Coming back to the bill, why we are raising the issues now. And I mean, cite the example be say, a young Kulana say, yet his story be Toli, so him Toli. Nansia, who says, see, of Abroa, and now I could crab in or New Year, white, now. Unkulat and I said, wouldn't make cry, so say, over four Kulaka Jai, Unana, because Umami and Amunana, because we never took say, yes, you mammy, by ye, yes, you papa, ye, Unim, sir. But young Kulana and Tessa, a dim that old man, a walk crew man. Now, Unkulani Nabano or Yetuli, then they listen. To see a Kulana, who is also to live. Does you understand what is to live? And
story,
your friend storytelling. Go Kura, you can't say. What do we see? Now, and let me see. Now there was a madman, about Jum, about market to say, Makola, or kita pot, don't say a chrome, you use clay to mold pot, or cover not fair, or the cow down, no, or the identical the cow down, or cover fair, no, Australian, nothing will be able to say, now where, hey, I see, no, then Australian, no. Hey, no say we market obi aba marketer mbete. Kama market na ye mim market aba mim tu kana say.
Aba bebre ni para aba bebre.
Papa na jai support no pram. Pot na apai. Pot na pai onim de wom.
Dabi.
E bees.
Wo
Bees. E do honey.
Na say obo
After Obia Johnny helter skelter.
But that time ban ku bebre.
A bad person born a power in a say.
You try until the Okana. Oh, analogy now.
Yeah. The president
says, no. Omu ebu mano and a song one.
Joba be jahwe mu.
Ana, omu abu agana fo nyina no no mo jai wo wano agum.
Na what they say na papa ebe wu.
Momo.
No. Ya betre unya wuye. Oba fon kakra. Oba fon unya wuye. Oba hene. The satama of for the attack, the Koitia, MC Koisia business community be
no share.
Or can say
group of people. No.
David, I want to say we want to say group of people. Or Koisia or GRA program be this week, last week before Thursday. Thursday one. Yes, last Thursday before Friday I approve it bill. No say he look forward to see these three important bills pass. No say he was carrying that pot with the bees no. See a bees na a pie we. Would a friend member of parliament who mean say only MPs Mukasapa? Yeah, random. Me from moi, I wanted to say Koku Kwatim, who from they will tell lies. Frère, any of the member of parliament no. The business say majority say mono about say they no passion. What you say? What was it? Let them explain to you. Me just say over half 60% of the total 137 now. They don't know what they've approved. One. Wouldn't say bill no, or behind say, importers. That was how they were thinking. But, say Dr. Mekaino, last year, inflation rate, depreciation of the city. Wouldn't say, I'm sure it affected you, but you over TV now what your policy one person cannot correct. Because we are a journey a day, a year who sweater be enter with honor. Because last year, who suppliers, maybe the time would name from January, February, March. No? You were supposed to pay them around June, July, August. Exactly. So your rate now with your calculation with your supplier, maybe with minus or plus, maybe $1 will go for 8 or 10 cities.
Yeah.
I bet this time I didn't pay you 40.5. Yeah. So to profit, no, when you profit,
no.
Until your policy say at the end of the year, no, a man who your profit. Who chafa but what's our trip bill na your personal 2.5 annual profit now you know Japan ko mutom nemni na wia kay last year come back say before they will come and tax your corporate tax no you budget 2.5% from Usika no already why Usika na sit who profit that shit we will capital that was why good for no commerce no close shops no you say baba you 2.5 bojo for you na you budget 2.5 2 ufia you already say Uber coffee, me Uber coffee, and Uber coffee because so by December on your profit, of course, GRA can decide, Commission General, you can decide say for multimedia we can categorize them under others. We can't put you under 2.5.
Oh, so
they'll put you at, yes. So you put multimedia there. You are making more money, so we put you at 5%. So what it means is that by December this year,
staff strength
Koshichum would pay 5% of what he made, the revenue you generated for the year, 5% before they will come back again for his corporate tax before paying PYA. That's why it's going to happen. So if Koshichum say, I'm not making much and government is placing me not even 2.5 by 5%, and then production maybe some of them will coffee. Maybe host no, some we host, some a band of who's or bad host, and some about okay, maybe a band of coffee, I don't want about coffee. No, or band because he can't maintain all of you. But you should have reinvest back, expand, and employ more. What do you say? And that's what's going on. The banking sector, 5%. No bank who made 300% profit last year will want to reduce to 200%. They either want to go 500 or 600. And so if there were a banker or my question will supply payment, and they don't take you because of they have that relationship, they don't take any cost of transaction from you, they don't charge you. Now they will charge you because they are going to pay 5%.
Okay, so you emphasize maybe what was so doc, you could try one bar. Nana, you try one bar. Oh, no problem. You didn't come on. So I come here and I so. I'm having to make a matter. It's okay. I'm here at the dance. Here at the dance. It be a quaba. I buy a try common as a quaba is here. I mean, I was here trying common so there's been even a meeting at the A of Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, GAPOA 4, and the agenda was decline in port traffic. Courses and the way forward. It was just the last month, 30th of March, 2023. So they acknowledge that there's no traffic at our ports again.
And then my statistics about how dropped the whole thing is at the port. It's so bad. And this has nothing to do with GPHE. This is about government policy. It's about Ministry
of Finance. So the Ministry of Trade and Finance.
Now, there was this team called Economic Management Team. That's why they discuss everything before it goes to cabinet. Their proposal, their suggestions, everything. Me see, and we buffon and we say I don't buffon. Finance Minister no. Finance Minister or no. So you are not thing you call fasa cathedral, the Nasa cathedral Bible 200 say shrine na obwa. Minim so oya busum go finance minister now. Ay oya busum. So oya busum my busum.
No, Wadama. No.
Okay, I withdraw busum.
No. The co-wasem so.
Over 8 we have never seen the history of this country. Me see me who President Rollins amai, President Mills, President Kufuor, President Mahama, President Akufo-Addo. Ruling government in parliament over 80 MPs. One munu nyina koye campaign o mo win here. Na o man so win here. Say o man penye won yi o man hene a. If or the bill be about parliament, they won't listen to it. It take the president to call emergency meeting. What credibility that finance minister has in this country again? What can they say? E-levy. We are blessed with natural resources. Including Dr. Kuma. Because he's a young guy, a very promising guy. Sorry, Dr. Cecilia. Also about parliament. Another loose talk. Mr. Speaker, so far as we remain in government, we will not, MPP remain in government, we will not go to IMF.
You say, Jai,
what happened?
Your problems, you see.
Your problem.
Don't solve your problem.
No more problem now. That was why they asked them long ago to go to IMF. And they said E-level was going to be the panacea. Finance minister has never, since 6 years or 7 years in government as a finance minister, has never done national budget or called regional tour to consult. But E-levy, 6 regions, how much did we squander to spend in that consultation? National budget, you don't go around the country, the regions, but E-levy, you went.
Okay, young doctor,
last but not the least, no, finance minister, you have never introduced a bill before in this country now. You will not see AGI endorsing it. You will not see Ghana National Chamber of Commerce endorsing it. Look at the business community all.
You can advise maybe his approach and I want to.
No, this time he has not consulted.
Okay, so
all the traders unions are angry.
I may what challenge Kakrawa. Samson Asaki Awingobit. You know, if you put the blame squarely at the doorstep of our finance minister, is it fair?
I am say we may stand on these things. When we are talking, your problems are may you focus on the problem because me be the AC minister and as a minister. Let me communicate the problems. It is a me come a problem no be atiasia and we hear me ten.
But the reason why maybe Yerasaki be drawn in is or a certain power like the trade minister to come to your aid in matters of this sort. And you can say Indian consult, all these consultations we are talking about, these are relevant ministries or agencies or departments are and clearly we wouldn't have probably been here to be talking.
Say it did not work until I can near zero in on government because Omu team no economic management team cabinet ankasa home and women now take a decision finance ministry of trade. So issue a very huge issue. Won't mean zero in to a unity. We will say the government should do this. And then but individual, minimum there will more power to do what. And intina made a never say yana makabu mayeno abaiba. Baba so mamen call excise tax and so. Said now with no or no say counterproductive. So once it's against
even Doctor no pray dem okay can say more obnoxious, no say counterproductive.
Exactly. Also abang say or better or ensure local productivity. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Local productivity and then say yeah adding value to what we have.
Exactly.
Now you're self-sufficient.
Exactly.
And it so what is our policy way back? Now you want to industrialize. Now obi wo nsawam or what pineapple farm or person add value to it or your fruit juices. Obi wo abomenya or so menya or what mango farm or person add value to the mango and on the positively to help the nation. Now woman punitive tax. Because that excise duty no a punitive tax. Because normally no and come on for health reason in Timvaze and cigarettes and alcoholic drinks and I'm on the two so cry. You won't call any level be a mopibia no not quite choice. But dear adding value near enhance local productivity. And now I follow in line with government's own industrialization drive. No? Now, what's this tax and to so? Now, say, dear, what you able to say? Am I feel and it also a problematic. Now, effects of all these things on trade, you know. Nuclear a woman say, on says they say inflation no baby a one. Ama consuming public no omu purchasing power no akwa form enti wano nan ko omu to ne mama ye no omu ntimi ntobio volume tsada nan ko omu to maye no omu ntimi ntobio businesses thrives on turnover bra say onso ye dwadini na oni ma dwadie mu de adwadie na ye di no ye ni no quantum crow ye ni consumers na turn your man no and ye hwibom ye di dwane bom enti obi a woni customers bia no wo say the juma no agu enti obi a the juma kosuru bia say hey sir ye company with your customers so ye sales pa na say na juma tumpon and enti say Womo and the sambra no ba no mo ka say oh momo de ye mamo magiska no na mo de ma pass on to the final consumer. Ye ni sa enye ye cause consumer no ye overburdened. Na ne resources no so ye limited.
Very limited resources.
The burden what me ato ne ma no wano volumes the first na kwoto ade tenor. Afi wo be bre pan san what me ato me sa e wo sika ko na e bia ye ni pay a ye de ama no. Enu ti ne ka se enyuma egu. Na mom ka that is se bia na de bia ye de betu su bia na nka wa ba pay wo mo so a. E de enu anza pa ya na abo pay so na ke to si a ye ka se wo si na ye se wo be kodum no wo mo de wo mo nsa sumo mo no wo be ko be bia na ye de nsa suma no eti abuo na wo ho dada no kra no consumers no ntimi nto enu asa akọbọ apị wo mo so ena eye duty say ye kasa no so a ye kasa ma edadie no na ye sa ka ama ye consuming public sabia wo mo ho ehinha wo mo a na wo mo nya hoden no mo purchasing power no kosra wo mo no etimi ato niema no wano turnover na ye frɛ no eniti sa to we de bebia angle bia wo bekwa kofa ni bia bra enye see, we are losing out in the cross-border trading activities. We are losing out. You are not attractive. Say, let's say, the Biaobeti, at the Ghana for Togo, Yakoto, Niama, Togo, and manufacturing hub, Sebia, Ubakona factories, baby, or one Yakoto Niama, almost so craniama, they said, yeah, so ya craniame. In Tiatina, Womono, Yakoho Kotoniama. No more the mahakra emetoniema. That's a cost of doing business. Now we are port assembly. Port assembly, a call meeting, no, and someone because you are not in competition with yourself as a port. You are in competition with Cote d'Ivoire on the left and then Togo on the right. And it so all cost of doing business, no, too higher. Then you are losing business to the other ports. Anything, Sanya many now, Wukafua, now we share continental free trade here, we ya. Yes, still one secretariat Kakraka for fair modern edifice. Ghana, yet completely irrelevant in the scheme of affairs of the continental free trade.
Okay, so Dr. Joseph Obin, Guta President, and then Man Stopoa, one who out the brought for we are seeing that. I'm so grateful. I appreciate your input. Bottom line is that you are not satisfied with taxes now about introducing. So you are prescribing that we should go back to the drawing board and relook and rethink. Thank you so much. Dr. Joseph. Yes.
Now, the consensus.
Thank you.
Now, Parliament so first one where you mistake.
Thank you.
One more time revising no. See it minya product papa na ya boniti dom na ye successful.
Thank you.
Yeah, patriotic citizens, but adia yentimi no de that's yentimi.
Thank you. Good. Thank you so much. Napoku, you wrap up.
Omai no me dase. The mekache adwadifo a etie mi anopai ni se aban no wasi gina na medi kan no ayo osunufunu sese e utunufo a entu na me kama kire mimi ni odwadini a me nu nyina ti dwom se usika potne ekura no eye o capital no hwe na anhye influence if you send pempenso a yedri se nyame ya adom na utimi kofa niema no na wo de ba bo modia fa totoso menka se agiramo abo na emom o mas kakra usua o school no working yie na fa toso na Ghana fo metua na wo sika na kura no anhye influence if you say aban no yetunu fo a wontie no physical discipline omo nka hu bi se sika ne da ho no mu yi a omo wa ne bum 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 yenso adwadifo ye kwa yie kra na ye bonsa wa me dream de na watch no minya ye
nsa na wakobo ho nsa
ansana na bo ho nsa na aban we di on the physical discipline won hwe eye boom boom 2023 V8 omugusu yusu ogoka omuze o yankrai eti mimi ni adwadini a sansami nyina wutie ya nopen no me wa ha etufu se o capital na crown so mu yie
nankoshi
e ma ne hye na shifru nsamu a ebia nje so okokofu anasa galamse ukwa akoye bi ansa no wasa nya capital because it say bank 45-46%.
Okay, so Samson, I will go bit. Now,
I didn't know why my very good friend and my senior comrade, Dr. Ben, was trying to massage the issues. No, the reality is that it's a public domain that the finance minister has made up his mind, and no minister can contribute or can suggest. If that is the case, then our trade minister should have intervened. If you want, go and have a private conversation with Honorable Lankoji Chiramente. He will tell you, the former minister. And for the new minister, we can't talk much because he just came to the office. The other aspect, I say, when you say, because that's as part of relief, IMF, a person, Yambisi who say, property rate tax, I didn't buy implemented. Yambisi who say, I didn't buy no abolish aviation fuel. Ghana, why am I to far a young plane? A little airplane called US, UK, Tamale, Kumasi Neba, Yiska for. I don't know abolish tax. I don't know abolish real estate tax. Real estate tax. We cameramen, maybe someone, but more was covered estate. And yet, rich poor, but estate. Why would you abolish estate taxes? Real estate taxes. I don't know do not implement luxurious cars. Or consider V8 2023 model. But do Ghana high. Yaka? What can be? What be? I don't know more implement this policy. Now, Shanema, sa tax no, or more pass no, a cover. Mineral water, so open super, so num super. Ah, we are so about what on my me here some. When news surely out on the price, whether so being imported, and I'm sure yeah, special eyes, so and I bell, I can show them, and I will go. No, because what water no. Energy drinks, say I'll pay energy drink to keep you awake and work. Is that
assume?
Non-alcoholic beer drinks, fruit juice, malt, canned malt, fruit juice, distilled bottle of stout, indigenous beer, cedar beer, wine, appetite, yes, no, cigarette, no, I can escape that. Neuro head. Snuff and other tobacco, that one, leave that one. My member companies now about affected. Growth and stability living. Categories. 5% profit before tax. Banks, insurance firms, non-bank, that's savings and credit for no. Telcos, breweries, that's Accra Breweries, Guinness, Ghana, Coca-Cola, Casapre, Comina, Omukaho. Inspection and evaluation firms, mining support firm, BDCs, senior Jose, companies no, Mukafa crude oil and bano. OMCs, South Philippines, our top pump goes. Tower operators, petroleum support firms to say in the rig there no, or more among several sumo to come on. Ghana say local content, a law,
for the mining company, local content.
SDI, e-money to say ZP no for no, Minaka, shipping lines, maritime support, airport, terminals. Now, mining firms, then they got another 1% of gross production. I know equal mining firms. Mining firms, no 5% I will 5% I will 5% before tax. Any the whole year no production now we no. We start to have 1%. Any oil and gas firm no 5% I will. Then again there's another 1% again. Means tautology another day. So how many tax do you want to tax the person? Then 2.5% profit before tax. Woka ho Jafanko yes mbaba tumpo commission general mbaba tum lokum ho all other businesses 2.5%. Until banks no this levy drives effect tax rate of banks to 40%. So banks are operational expenses no be 40%. So what is going to happen is that look let me tell you where many new cars and throw omo service ni na no and you say Obi said Nancy no clear no na car boot na CV said that menim say utun na me kwa mo CV said that those who are there, some of the bank, they have casual workers. They will lay them off. They will lay them off. Oh, yeah. Even with this shipping line, because of the cargo started dropping, they started doing dance out at Max Line and others. They will Mufi Hakrabo Chum. He will let some people
off. So
that's how bad it's going to be. Taxation to production. It's production to taxation.
I'm so grateful to show. But they've spoken the reality. But
that one won't compromise. If we are petitioning the president this week.
Okay.
We are going to petition the president this week.
I don't want to borrow Dr. Baumia's, it is possible. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's bad.